On a hot Sunday in July, Matt and I decided to check out Lone Elk Park with the driving tour. Okay, we just started our tour of Lone Elk Park and we found our first elk. It's right next to the picnic shelter. Little did we know that this elk would be our only elk for the day, thus Lone Elk. We made a stop on the driving tour at the Visitor Center to find out the history of Lone Elk Park and how it got its name. So the people in front of us found some raccoons. Since we decided it was too hot to hike, bison watching was a good alternative for the day. Right across the street from the entrance to Lone Elk Park is the World Bird Sanctuary. We checked it out too. According to its website, the World Bird Sanctuary's mission is to preserve, protect, and inspire to safeguard bird species as part of the global community for future generations. We certainly enjoyed walking around their facility for an hour or so. Each of the enclosures had signs, so I knew what they were. This one is a Crider's red-tailed hawk. These little bitty guys are called Leaf and Olaf. Hedwig's cousin, Crystal. Pelicans. Some of the inhabitants were noisier than others. Brown pelicans. A hot osprey. Whew. We hope you enjoyed our quick tour of Lone Oak Park and the World Bird Sanctuary in St. Louis County. Till next time, this is Kay and Matt from Happy Trails Hiking. Keep on trekking.